Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use Facebook Messenger for video calls. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Using Facebook Messenger for video calls on Android is a simple process, and here's how I do it. Step 1. Ensure that the Facebook Messenger app is installed on your Android device. You can download it from the Google Play Store if you haven't already. Step 2. Launch the Messenger app on your device. Step 3. If you're not already logged in, enter your Facebook credentials to log in. Messenger is integrated with Facebook, so you'll need a Facebook account to use Messenger. Step 4. Navigate to your list of contacts or use the search bar to find and select the person you want to video call. Step 5. Once you're in the conversation with the selected contact, look for the video camera icon in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on this icon to start a video call. Step 6. The person you're calling will receive a notification about the video call. Wait for them to answer. Once they do, you'll be connected for a video call. Step 7. During the video call, you can use on-screen controls to switch between the front and back cameras. Mute your microphone and turn off your camera. Messenger also provides features like filters and effects that you can't use during the call. Step 8. To end the video call, tap the end phone icon at the bottom of the screen. And always remember that both you and the person you're calling need to have a stable internet connection for a smooth video call experience. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection, restart the Messenger app, or restart your device as troubleshooting steps. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.